Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying Secure Folder exists on your Samsung and that you remember its unlock method. Open the Apps tray and tap Secure Folder to begin. The system isolates apps and files for privacy. When prompted, authenticate with your PIN, pattern, password, or biometrics so the container unlocks. Once done, you'll see the Secure Folder home where only curated apps and a separate gallery reside. Make sure your device is charged and on a stable screen so you can proceed without interruptions. Once inside Secure Folder, tap the Secure Folder gallery to reveal photos stored there. This gallery is distinct from your regular Photos app. Navigate using grid, list, or albums to quickly locate items. Sorting by date or album makes retrieval faster. When you select images, you'll see contextual options like Share, Move out of Secure Folder, or Delete. Choose Move out if you need the photo in the regular gallery. Make sure to double-check before moving so nothing is exposed unintentionally. To finish, select the images you want visible outside Secure Folder and tap Move out. This exports them to your main gallery while preserving originals if you keep a copy. If exported photos don't appear, make sure gallery permissions allow storage access and check hidden or archived folders. Sometimes sync settings delay visibility. If you can't unlock Secure Folder, re-authenticate, reboot the device, or reinstall Secure Folder. Backup important data first. One tip: enable biometrics for faster access and fewer lockout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.